Hello everyone, my name is Ali Bidhendi. I'm currently pursuing a PhD in construction management at Auckland University of Technology in New Zealand. Today, we'll be exploring a critical topic in the construction industry, leveraging change management theory for human-centric digital transformation. And as we navigate the complexities of the digital era, it's crucial that we understand how to implement technology changes while keeping the human element at the forefront. Well, in this presentation, I'm going to introduce my topic, and then I'm going to talk about the Industrial Revolution, followed by digital transformation challenges. I'll show you the state of the art, the need for a new approach, and I'll show you at the end our tailored framework for implementing the human-centric digital transformation for organizations. Let's quickly get to the points by introducing our topic. Well, in the ever-evolving world of technology, we often witness that tech giants shaping their development approach around latest trends. On the other hand, the disruptive nature of technology, particularly digital technologies, has demonstrated its ability to transform not only our lifestyles, but also our mental paradigms, ways of thinking, our values, and individual and social actions. However, what tends to be neglected or underestimated in the technological realm is the profound impact of humans on shaping today's world and its future. The efforts of many experts have been directed to consider the user experience of products or to go a few steps beyond ergonomic knowledge to human-centered design. And finally, the expansion and development of the concept of design thinking, which of course is very auspicious, but in many cases, technology is still given authenticity. The important point here is that organizations are built based on humans and their collective skills. When they make technology the basis of their development approach, they find a characteristic alien to them which can make them vulnerable or even identityless, especially in the time of rapid technological change and fierce competition in the market. So let's see the Industrial Revolution. In the context of historical Industrial Revolution, Industry 1.0 introduced steam engines and mechanization, leading to increased productivity. Industry 2 focused on mass production and standardization, driven by electric power machines. Industry 3 brought us digital technology and the internet, revolutionizing processes through automation and computer-based systems. But the concept of Industry 4.0 emerged from a German government plan in 2011, aiming to integrate physical productions with virtual processes through cyber-physical systems. This revolution aims to advance manufacturing through real-time interaction and has sparked similar initiatives worldwide. As digitalization and data availability continue to grow, the concept of digital transformation has gained prominence. Well, if I want to have a formal definition of the digital transformation, it involves fundamentally rewiring how an organization operates with the goal of building a competitive advantage by deploying technology at the scale to enhance customer satisfaction and experience, and of course, reducing costs. Now it's time to see the application of Industry 4.0 or digital transformation in the construction industry. The term Construction 4 has been widely used in publications and organizational reports as a response of the construction industry to the adoption of Industry 4 principles. The adoption of digital transformation in the construction sector has several benefits for construction processes. For example, utilizing advanced robotics and automation can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency. Tasks that previously required extensive manual labors now can be performed by robots, leading to faster project completion and reduced cost, of course. So the construction industry is at the pivotal point now. We are witnessing a surge in technological advancement that promise to revolutionize how we work, from building information modeling to AI-driven project management. The potential for increased efficiency and productivity is immense. However, the path to successful digital transformation is, of course, far from straightforward. However, over the course of more than 10 years of development of the Industry 4.0, it has gradually shifted its focus away from original principles of human centricity. Instead, there has been a greater focus and emphasizes on digital and AI-driven technologies aimed at enhancing production, scalability, and efficiency. This shift raises an important question. What role should human intelligence play in the context of Industry 4.0? Well, let's take a look at digital transformation implementation challenges. Let's look at some hard truths. Uh, According to big head companies reports like McKinsey, PwC, Harvard Business, IBM, and stuff like that, across the industries, more than 80% of organizations have failed to implementing the digital transformation. And in the infrastructure industries, like construction industry, it's even worse. More than 90% went fail. And we are seeing billions wasted on failed initiatives. Of the 1 trillion US dollars that was spent on digital transformation, it was estimated that $900 billion went to waste in 2019. So why? Often it's because we focus too much on technology and not enough on the people side who will be using it. And another important challenge that organization leaders face was the fear of being replaced by their employees. For employees, I mean, digital transformation could threaten their job, they thought. And will they need to be reskilled? What if a robot takes over their tasks? And if some organizations could address this challenge, they faced another challenges, the lack of skills, lack of the mindset of the change in implementing digital transformation in organizations, especially in the time of rapid technological change. Employees need to be re-skilled almost every day. We've all heard about the Industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by automation and data exchange. But today, I want to introduce you to the concept of the Industry 5.0. This isn't just about technology, it's about creating a synergy between human creativity and technological efficiency. In the construction industry, this shift is particularly significant. And Industry 5.0 represents the cutting edge of industrial revolution. And of course, it is still in its infancy, and there are a lot of vague aspects it has that need to be clarified. But if I want to have a formal definition of the Industry 5, it signifies a global transformation in industries that prioritize the well-being of humans and aims to achieve social goals beyond employment and growth, ensuring prosperity for the sustainable development of humanity. Three key characteristics define Industry 5: human centricity, sustainability, and resiliency. Overall, by focusing on the human centricity characteristic of the Industry 5.0, the human-centered organization is defining. It acknowledges that people are the most valuable assets in an organization and emphasizes understanding and catering to their needs, experience, and behaviors. This approach shifts the focus from purely technological aspects to one that prioritizes human needs. In the context of the digital transformation, it means ensuring that technology serves people, not the other way around. Well, let's take a look at the state of the art and the research that have been done in this topic very quickly. Uh, I want to start from 1957, since McGregor's groundbreaking work, The Human Side of Enterprise, was published in 1957. Numerous models, methodologies, and tools have been developed to operationalize his influential theory why in workplaces. These approaches all share the belief that individuals are inherently problem solvers who can find fulfillment in their work and are willing to take on responsibility. As a result, organizational forms rooted in theory like sociocracy and B Corp emerged. But the term human-centered organization was first mentioned in the 1990s and gained significant popularity around 2015. This surge in popularity can be attributed in part to initiatives by IBM and the International Standard Organization, ISO. And it is worth noting that the term human-centered organization is used by several authors with very different philosophical background and theoretical foundation, but by looking at the thematic analysis of the human-centered organization between 2015 and 2020, it shows that focus was on two primary groups: human-centered design and humanistic management. But in recent times, with the advancements of AI, there has been a growing focus on human-centric transformation as a significant innovation for organization. And recent research suggests that people, rather than technology, should play the primary role in shaping the innovation. And the underlying assumption behind the recent research is that organizational change is long overdue, and both practitioners and scholars believe that substantial changes are necessary in how organizations are conceptualized and managed for human-centered organizations to become a reality. So we need for a new approach, of course. We saw that the existing literature highlights that change management is crucial and is long overdue for successfully navigating digital transformation while prioritizing human-centric values. And there's and you know that we have very different and we have several change management models like Kotter 8-step, Lewis 3-step, McKinsey 7S change management model, and there's an ongoing debate regarding the selection of the most suitable change management model. And it is argued that relying on just one or even combination of two or three of the change management models may not cover all the aspects of organizations in specific purposes and issues. Also, the literature uh, emphasized that in driving successful organizational change, effective leadership plays a crucial role. And of course, organization leaders will face several challenges during this implementation. So despite growing awareness of human-centered approach, there's a significant gap how we apply these principles to digital transformation in construction. We need a new framework, one that combines robust change management practice with human-centric principles that we don't have now. Uh, we have developed a framework in our research team to address the challenges that we have discussed today. You see, it is a change management model specifically tailored for human-centric digital transformation in the construction industry. This model integrates key elements essential for successful change implementation while keeping people at the core of the process. At the center of this model, we have our primary goal, effective change management. Surroundings, these are 10 crucial components with this clockwise. So it is a 10-step change management model, which developed by us. Strategic vision and communication, organizational competencies assessment, comprehensive training and development, resource allocation, employee involvement and empowerment, value integration programs, technological adoption, performance monitoring and feedback, well-being and support structures, and at the end, cultural reinforcement. Each of these components and steps is designed to address specific aspects of change process, from clearly defining the vision and aligning it with organizational values to ensuring employees' well-being and embedding changes within the organizational culture. This model uh, provides a holistic approach to change management, emphasizing both the technical and human aspect of digital transformation. By following this framework, construction organizations can navigate the complexities of the digital change while fostering a more engaged, productive, and human-centric work environment. And remember, successful digital transformation isn't just about implementing new technologies at the scale in organizations and following the latest trends. It is about empowering people to leverage these technologies effectively. This model aims to guide that process, ensuring that as we build the future of the construction, we do so with our workforce at the heart of every changes. And thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question, you have my email. You can email me. I'm keen to answer them. And we have developed a website for it, www.btginvest.co.nz. You can find more free content related to construction management, project management, and of course, building information modeling. Again, thank you so much.